The best way to prevent, relieve, or even cure emotional and mental health problems is by rooting ourselves into our body. Body is an extension of earth, nature, and the universe. So if we root ourselves into our body, we are connected with all those elements of existence, in the absence of which we will shrink into our mind, will be isolated, and the mind is filled with those abnormal, complicated emotional and thought patterns. Will be lost in them, and also those patterns will create new abnormal patterns, and we will be trapped. But once we are connected to the body, to the earth, nature, and the universe, those patterns and their energy find its way out, discharging completely. It will prevent, it will relieve, or even cure from those emotional and mental health problems. But how to do this rooting? Number one is through the body movements. It may be walking, it may be yoga, it may be Tai Chi, any other thing which we like, but making sure that our feet are touching the ground or the earth, because that will be the connection. Number two, chanting or sound meditations are excellent to ground ourselves. And a very simple chant is humming. So, focusing on our body and humming or chanting any mantra will create a lot of vibrations in the body. And by focusing on the body, we will be feeling and listening to those vibrations, which will bring rooting. So, the body movements and humming, focusing on the body are the best ways to root ourselves into the body, to prevent, to relieve, or even cure emotional and mental health problems.